Welcome. In front of me is Realme C25Y, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars, go to settings, where at the bottom you should find import option. Click on it and choose that you want to import contacts from SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are located on that SIM. For me, it's not very many, but as you can see, it's good enough, I guess, for the showcase. So once you see all your contacts, you can deselect the ones that you don't want by tapping on them, as you can see. And then once you have everything that you do want selected, click on the import button. This will give you a message how many contacts were imported. And when you go back, you should be able to see them right here. And that is how you'd import those contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.